Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of simple yet stylish full sleeves design. Yes, I'm gonna show you the complete making of full sleeves designing, same like Ari or the Magam work pattern, but using the normal stitching needle. So without wasting time, let's quickly start with the highlighting of the sleeve openings. For that, I'll be applying the glue broadly like this on the sleeve openings. This is to highlight, and here I'm gonna use chain bow lace, stone lace. 5 lines I'm gonna create here because it's heavily designed sleeves pattern and exclusively designed for the bridal wear collection, but we can also try for the party wear collections. So this is how one after another without any gaps we have to stick the chain bow lace and stone lace. And now I'm gonna give the markings on the sleeves crossly like this with the gap of 1 inch. It's cross checks boxes, and exactly we have to mark in opposite direction to give the cross markings. Now for the designing, I'll be using these are leaf shaped frames which is exclusively used for Ari or the Magam work patterns. Instead of Zardozi work, we can use these type of framed rings which is available in different sizes and different shapes. I'll be using here gold color leaf shape frames, and on each line of the checks box, on this line we have to fit 2 frames of this leaf shape like this, and the corners has to be elevated with the 4 petals flower shape. This is how it looks. I hope this is clear to you all. The checks corners will be highlighted in the flower shape of 4 petals, and remaining the leaf shape will be continued in this way. Here the glue work will make your work easy to do. Instead, if it is not available, you can directly place it on the line with the 2 frames and give an invisible stitches on it. But I prefer to apply the glue and then fix the frames because this will make our work easy to do with less time, less efforts. All these materials which I have used for this designing are available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links has given in the description box. If you want, you can check it. So apply the glue little by little, or else it will left with the oil stains, which is not possible. Be cautious while applying the glue. Though these patterns will really looks heavy, but once you watch this complete video, this is so simple, extraordinary looking, which is really expensive. If you try this type of designing at home, it may cost around 4,000, but I had spent only of 200 rupees for this designing. You can't believe it, but this is what I had spent for this designing. And in between these checks boxes, I'd be applying the glue dots like this. This is to stick the medium size gold color flower rings. And now that the sleeves is completely dried, this is the front side of the sleeve and this is towards the back side. and as it is completely dried, we have to give an invisible stitches on each and every frames of leaf shape. Also on the sleeve openings, all these lines all together I'll be giving the stitches. This will not be visible. Now on the tips of these frames I'll be giving an invisible stitches like so. Also on the flower rings. The hardest part in this designing is only giving an invisible stitches, but we have to do it because to stay for long run. And like this type of designing, preferable is the light wash or the shampoo wash, dry wash. These are silver color leaf shaped kundans, also with the red color kundans of circular shape, small size, in the flowerings of circular shape, and on this leaf frames I would be sticking leaf shape silver color kundans. Here in the flowerings I would be sticking red color kundans of circular shape, small size. And friends, I am done with this beautiful full sleeves designing of both the hands. This is towards back side of the sleeve and this is towards the front side of right hand, and left hand sleeves fully designed. It's very impressive, extraordinary looking, and will really gives a grand appeal once you wear it. I hope sharing of this video is really useful to you all. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. The complete pic of these sleeves would look like this. My simple blouse has turned to designer blouse. Thanks for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.